So I just got this all-weather chair and wanted to show you guys a quick look here. This installation assembly is super easy. It takes about 5 minutes and you do not need any tools at all. My wife is sitting out here in the driveway just enjoying the sun. It's super ergonomic. I do love how this comes in a couple different colors. It's black and this one's the gray model, but you need 0 tools just because these little panels just like they go through the hole and just click into place. So really just took me less than 5 minutes to build. Very, very comfortable, very nice. It's made with a high density plastic, so it's just super durable and it's all weatherproof. It's gonna actually prevent against fading or anything like that. Perfect for a patio, campfire, lawn. You could put this on your porch. We're gonna keep this in the garage and just use it for the driveway just because we get a little bit more sun out here and it's gonna be nice just to sunbathe. As you can see, she's using the cup holder because this cup holder is built into it and it actually has a little shelf for your drink to go in. Pretty wide. This is a water bottle in here so you can see how much room is in there. But overall, this chair is really, really nice. Get a couple of them, throw this around your campfire, outside, patio, and this is gonna be absolutely perfect for springtime, summer, and fall. I absolutely love this. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.